Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are going to talk about one of my favorite yoga poses. It's called crow pose. This is a pretty challenging, it's technically an inversion, but I really like it because I think that it creates a lot of upper back strength, shoulder stability, and core strength. We definitely want our fingers spread because they're going to help us balance. And then our shoulders, elbows, and wrists are all going to be stacked. And then we can have be on our toes with our hips high up in the air if we wish, but we want to create a little shelf, so a slight bend in the elbows. And then my toes are still on the floor here, but my weight is coming more into my fingers. So our fingers are really important here. And my head is going to come towards the ground a little bit as I work up the courage and the strength. So right here, there's a lot going on in my triceps. They're working really hard. My abs are working really hard as well. And so is my upper back. And I haven't even left the ground yet. So here, I might just bring one foot towards my bum and work on getting strength there. Do the same amount on the other side. And just work my way towards bringing both feet towards my butt.